brand owner, I have sent a new sale offer to all my customers on WhatsApp with their personalized name without any manual effort. Sounds magical, right? I have done this by using an amazing technology of WhatsApp broadcasting using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. Here I've simply sent a WhatsApp broadcast for all these customers to whom I want to send the automated WhatsApp sale offers, and they are going to receive the personalized WhatsApp messages like this on their WhatsApp number instantly at the same time. Yes, I have sent the multiple WhatsApp messages to my multiple contacts without getting blocked. And now if you want to do the same, then you need to use this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now here to begin with the process, you need to access the software by searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. And for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to connect yours, click on this add button and you can see two methods. So here if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the video links available in the description box below for these same. And now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left sidebar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the video links available on our YouTube channel and in the description box as well for these same. Alright, now let's move forward with the process. So here, as you know, that we are going to set up a WhatsApp broadcast. So we are going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But before that, let me tell you that I'm going to send the WhatsApp messages to all my customers using a WhatsApp template. So this is a WhatsApp template message that I've sent, and for that I've already created a template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So firstly, we're going to access this template section, but here let me tell you that if you don't want to send the template message and wish to send a regular kind of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that feature in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Alright, let's access this template section. Alright, now here in this template section, you can see the total number of approved templates, number of pending, draft and rejected templates. So here I've already created a template that I have with the name sale offer. So this is the message that I've drafted, and here you can see the status of my template is approved. That means I can use this template to send the automated WhatsApp messages to my customers or leads. Alright, so now here to create a new template, click on this add button and you can see two methods. If you want to generate the template with the help of an AI, then select this method, or else select add template, and it will direct you to a new template window. Here you need to add some details and click on the submit button to create a new template. To learn about this process in detail, you can also click on this learn more hyperlink available over here. Alright, now here after creating a new template, you need to move back, and once the template gets approved by Meta, then you can use that template to set up your WhatsApp broadcast. For now, I'm going to directly jump towards the broadcast section, and here in the broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast. For now, we're going to create a new one, and here it has directed us to the WhatsApp broadcast window. We are going to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign first, and for the name we are going to give the name as new sale offer. Alright, so this is the name, And then here it is asking for the contact list. So here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send the message. And as you know that I have my customer details in Google Sheets. Now here, in order to send the WhatsApp messages to all these customers, I need to add them as a new contact in my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And to do so, we are going to access this contact section available over here. Now under this contact section, here on the left side, you can see the contact list that I already have. And here to create a new one, we're going to click on this add contact button. Here we have received the option of adding a single contact and adding bulk contacts. For now, we're going to select bulk contacts one, and it is asking for a CSV file. And as you know that I have a data in Google Sheets, that means you need to download this data in a .csv format. And to do so, you need to select file, then select download option and download the file in a CSV format. Once you have downloaded the file, upload the same over here and then click on this add contact button to create bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Once the contacts are created, you can create a separate contact list for the same. Alright, for now I'm going to use an existing list that I have inside my Chatflow account. So we're going to select that particular list. Similarly, you can select multiple lists as well. For now I've selected single one. Now let's move forward. It is asking for the message type. So you can see two options. One is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So as I've mentioned earlier that I'm going to use the template message, so we're going to select this option. But to send a regular type of message, select this option, and from here you need to select the message type. Once you're going to add the text over here, then you can have a preview for your message in the right side over here. Alright, for now we're going to select pre-approved template message, and here I'm going to select my template message. So this is my template message, and here I've used a variable in the place of name. Variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So now here I've used a variable in the place of name because I want whenever my customer is going to receive this message, then this name variable should be replaced with my customer's name. Alright, so now here to make this field permanently dynamic, we are going to access another feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom fields from the settings section. So now here in this contact custom fields, you can see some permanent fields such as name, mobile number, last name and the first name. And here you can see the fields that I've created inside my Chatflow account. So now here, as you know that I have used a variable in the place of my customer's name. So now here what we're going to do is that we're going to copy this field name and we're going to add it over here. After adding the field name, we're going to move forward and then we're going to click on this done button. Automatically your template has been added over here. Then it is asking us to test the broadcast message. So here you can test your message before sending it to your wider audience by sending it on your own WhatsApp number first. So now we are going to add my username over here. Then here we're going to add my number, and then we're going to click on the send test message. It says test broadcast sent. Let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see instantly I've received a WhatsApp message over here where we have received the same template message. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Now after testing it, you can schedule this broadcast message. If you want to send the instant WhatsApp messages to all your customers, then select no option, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. After that, you need to select the date and time over here as well. While selecting this date and time, make sure you are selecting a future date and time. If you have selected the past date and time, that is going to send the WhatsApp message instantly to all your customers. Alright, then we're going to click on this add broadcast, and you can see our broadcast is scheduled successfully. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same over here. Here you can see the number of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed rate. Also here, let me tell you that you can resend this WhatsApp broadcast messages to all your valid contacts from this failed section by selecting this resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to send a WhatsApp message to all your customers in one click. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available on your screens. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.